The next feature, the linear pattern. So let's create a hole here to work with it. Hole. So let's select that simple type and let's make it 5 in diameter and make it through all. Okay, so let's select position here. Okay, so we have that hole is created. Okay, so now let's try to make this hole along that edge and that edge. So if you want to make all the time this hole, repeating it all the time, so it might take some time, but in linear pattern you can make many instances. So here feature to pattern is already selected, the hole and the number of instances, let's say 4, and here you can select the edge or the direction. Okay, so let's make this 5 or as you want, and here you have the distance. Now you created 5 holes, you can change distance and so on, and when you are done click OK. So if you want to repeat this pattern as well on the other side, you can do it as well. So let's click on linear pattern. You have this feature is already selected. Let's select that edge and make the distance of 30, or let's make it 10. Okay, so now let's try select this hole and make it on 2 direction, pattern it on 2 direction. So let's select linear pattern, select that, and we have 5 here, you can see it, and then you can select the direction 2, you have the second direction, and then you are able to select that edge. So let's make the number of instances to be 10, so you'll be able to see